Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in and thank you for shopping and clicking that play button. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right guys, today we're taking a look at a 2019 GMC Acadia in the SLE 2 trim. Two previous owners, just under 57,000 miles, and a beautiful black metallic exterior. This is a nice vehicle here, third row, all-wheel drive, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6. So let's go ahead and take a look. Right off the bat, you're gonna notice the nice chrome embellishments here on the front of the grille here, backed up by a nice design here on the black insert in the grills. Okay, nice high-intensity headlights, and you do have fog lights integrated into the lower bumper. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, looks like a nice factory GMC wheel, nice aggressive styling of the wheel here. I'm definitely a fan of the machined alloy here. As you can see, that shiny new rotor poking through. New brakes, rotors, fresh oil change, fresh PA state inspection. We like to put the money into the wearables so you don't have to shortly after purchasing that. And we'll get into that here in just a bit. Like all vehicles here at All Things Automotive, you will receive two keys for your added convenience. This one does have a passive door entry, so it does have two proximity keys. As long as you have that key on you, you can lock and unlock right there with just a push of a button. Just a quick peek into the interior. Nice setup here. You have your faux wood grain, chrome, brushed aluminum, and that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this beautiful vehicle. Looking into the glove box, you will find our used car mechanical check sheet. Looks like all the tires are 9/32. Everything is green, good to go. So they are meticulously checked over by our staff here at All Things Automotive. Looking into the rear area of this vehicle here, guys, this is one of my favorite things about the Acadias. This is almost a perfect size of a vehicle. You do have power options back here, climate control, two bucket seats, and a nice third row. Okay, and that's gonna be, whoa. Coming around to the lift gate, you will notice this is equipped with a power lift gate in the SLE 2 trim. You could access that on your key fob. I just pushed that button right there. It went up automatically, and then you can close the lift gate right there. Okay, these seats do fold flat. If you don't need the third row, you're just gonna have a bunch of cargo space, which that's awesome as well. So let's go ahead and keep going around the car. Push that button, stand back, and watch that magic happen. Looking into the driver area, you will notice that faux wood grain right here. Nice white stitching and the chrome on the door handle. You will have all your power options as far as doors, mirrors, adjustments, and etc. There's your lock right there. You will have power adjustments on the driver's seat, electronic parking brake, and brightness and dimming controls for your center clusters. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. As I mentioned before, you will receive two keys for your added convenience. This is the upgraded key fob here. Lock, unlock. There's your lift gate, and then there's your remote start as well, and then there's your panic button. So let's go ahead and start it up. Push button to start right behind the steering wheel. Just under 57,000 miles here, guys. So let's take a look at some of the onboard controls here. Mounted on the steering wheel, you have your cruise control to the left, and then your audio controls to the right. This should be a control pad for your center cluster, so you can display all kinds of vehicle information right there here, as you can see. Moving over to the infotainment center, you do have a nice touchscreen display equipped with a backup camera. Does have the projection capability, so you can project whatever's going on your phone, whether it be a streaming service for music or Google Maps or whatever map service you use, all the way down to our climate control. Pretty straightforward. You will notice you do have heated seat options here in the front. You can heat your back or your back and your lower. As far as power is concerned, right here you have a 12 volt, two USBs, and an auxiliary right there. Traction control off 4 ways right there. And then again, nice full center console here with your faux wood grain chrome trim. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. That's going to go all the way down to low right here, and you can shift up or down depending on your driving terrain. You can even do more here with your terrain selector here. There's your normal 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, sport mode, and then your all-terrain mode. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. All right guys, under the hood you will find a beautiful 3.5 liter V6 engine, nice and clean. Our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer. As I peek down in here, you can see no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Like I said, our crew here at All Things Automotive does an amazing job of going over these vehicles and making sure the wearables are good to go, so you don't have to put that money into it shortly after purchasing the vehicle. So let's go ahead and do our hood test here, right? Let's check it out. Nice sturdy sounding hood. That's GMC right there. Okay, so if you made it this far, you might just be interested in this vehicle, so this part is for you. I'm gonna go over any dents, dings, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Acadia. Keep in mind, they are pre-owned. We like to make them as clean as possible. So starting up front here, you will see some blemishes on the hood. Okay, the paint is not perfect. There's no, nothing's going through the clear coat or anything like that, but you can see some blemishes here on the hood. It's pretty evident. The chrome trim all the way around, even to the bottom bumper fascia, looks good. Looks like you do have some scarring right here. Okay, but keep in mind, these vehicles are priced accordingly. We operate off a no haggle price structure, which makes it easy for you and for ourselves. Okay, so on the mirror cap, you can see some blemishes right there. No curb rash on the wheel that I've seen, no dents or dings that popped out at me. Again, another blemish here. And we are on the passenger side front door. High gloss black on those around the door. Everything is good, chrome trim, no discoloration or fading, even on the vinyl trim moldings around the wheel wells. Okay, everything is good to go, guys. Even on top of the roof, no scratches, dents or dings or anything like that. Back of the lift gate, I'm not saying much, guys. Pretty clean vehicle. You might see a little bit here, a little bit there if you really want to pick it apart, but just a nice, beautiful black metallic exterior here. I didn't notice anything else. The interior is pretty clean. Didn't notice any rip stains, tears, or odors on the seats. Again, a couple blemishes here, and then maybe a little in the middle row, but no major stains or anything like that, guys. So something you have to see for yourself. Give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com. Shop online 24/7. You can get yourself pre-approved in just minutes, and make sure you ask your sales consultant today about extended coverage, because this vehicle does qualify and we do take trade-ins. Okay, so just come on out to 21518 Great Cove Road, Connellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. This is the 19 GMC Acadia in the SLE 2 trim. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.